Hello, friends. Welcome to everyone to yet another interesting episode of Nostalgia. Friends, today we are here with our fishing video. Here I'm standing at the fish market. Early in the morning, of course. Now, here what I'm showing is what, as you can see, is the kingfish. Now, this kingfish is a huge one. I would say this would be around almost 30 kgs, and it's very long enough. And the way it is kept in the basket, that it's not fitting in though. It's a real big one. And the other three what you see out of here, these are also kingfishes. Pretty many of them, I would say so, and they are super fresh. Yes, they are. I mean, we mean it, though. Also, there are many other varieties of fishes what you see out over here. We have not the names of everyone though, but still what all we can say is, like, we have tuna, then we have mackerels out here, isla, then the other one is para. I mean, that's what we say in Malayalam. In English, it's kind of mackerel fish itself. Lots of omega fatty acids out there in that. These fishes are very fresh. I mean, when you look at the eyes itself, you'll come to know. And here we have a basket full of squid out here. Oof, these are the real huge ones. Yes, our aim over here is for fishing, and we have come here to buy some prawns, and they are fresh prawns. The baskets just beside the prawns are some crabs are kept out there, but my aim is to buy shrimps out here, and these are of course for our fishing. Wow, we are at the seabed. Now we can see few bunches of not bunches, of course, quite number of seagulls who are there on the seabed. Friends, one interesting fact about seagulls is, when you see seagulls over the seabed, it means that particular place or that area has got a couple of fishes out there. I mean, there are a number of fishes out there. That's the reason these birds are there near to that particular place itself. And another interesting fact about seagulls is, while reading across some article, I just came to know about the facts about this particular birds, is that they have the ability to drink salt water. Yes, I mean it. They do drink salt water. That's what they must be on the sea always, And these birds, as I said, we got a rare glimpse of it. Usually when we come here for fishing, we don't find them though. But it's really an eye-catching view. So many of them. Wow. Look at the sky. Yeah, there it is. You can see so many number of. I can't count them though. We can't count them. But yes, they are with their air shows. There it goes, up and down and down and up. Yes. And while they are moving up and down, you can see, there's some color that's coming out, from this jets while they're moving in. It's some air show that is being conducted nearby. That is what you see out over here. Well, we are here with our action spree with fishing. Yes, I have already cast my rod, and now something has been hooked. Yes, getting it over. Yes, it is there on the rod. Yes, we have a catch. Wow, this is a queenfish. Queenfish? No. This is a prachi, but a big one though. Yeah, we have cast our rod again on the seabed. The waves when they hit across, with the rod, it's such a good feeling to see. Yes, here comes the other one. A mighty glory. Yo, it's a big queenfish. Wow, it's a real big one. It's got entangled with the hook. Look at it, friends. The silver body, and it's a real eye-catching view. I mean, I don't have words. Spellbound, I would say so. It's so beautiful. Wow. Well, we have cast our rod again, and we have got another fish. This is a queenfish again, a big one though. Yeah, come on. That's also trying to get itself out of it. Yeah, friends, one more interesting thing. Along with the catches, what I'm doing over here, one catch I got is of a crab. Yes. In the earlier video, what we showed is crabs we were getting earlier, but now then it stopped in between. I think they are some seasonal effect or something. But I had a difficulty to hold the crabs also earlier. I was a little scared enough, this would bite me out across or what. But now even being catching them for so long, I have also learned, I think so. Yeah, I have learned it. Now I'm peacefully, even the crab is also maintaining its calm with me, and I'm getting it the hook removed from it. Wow, look at it, yeah. I mean, it's really so good. I mean, blue crab. Wow. We get crabs out there in many other places also in fishing, but the color varies. I don't know. Here, whenever we go for a fishing catch, we get the blue crabs, and really, friends, this is super delicious. You cook them just with little salt and pepper. Ah, the moment you put it in your mouth, the taste, the taste buds completely get tangled or entangled or what. I'm running out of words to explain that. That divine is the taste. Well, I have my bag over here. I can show you the other fishes also that I've caught, and 2 crabs is what we have got over here. They have peacefully, I have placed them over. Now back to track again. I have put my rod into the seabed. Let's see, something has got hooked in again. Wow. I think, well, yeah, that was a prachi fish that I had caught. The usual one, what we usually catch. This is what we get it usually, At least now, we are getting some good catches. Over the sky, if you see, there are birds, flying across in here. And seagulls also with them that are moving across. Yes, there it goes. Friends, thought of sharing this with you. Just a glimpse of today's catch. The queen fish stands as supreme, and the other small catches that includes the prachi fish and the other fishes. Yes, of course, our crabs. They too are there with us, but I'm not keeping them placing here in front of here. The reason is they will run away. My all efforts will be in waste. I've just put them in a cover, so I've not displayed them out over here because, as I said, they will run away. Dear friends, thank you for watching and being with us. Thank you very much. It means a lot to us. Friends, in the description below, we have shared the link for the other videos too. Do watch them and share your likes. Thank you so much.